Firstly, thank you everyone for joining today's community meetup. We'll start with move to the next slide. We'll start with the ecosystem update, and then Maha will take up the product update. Starting with the ecosystem, we have Center for Social Justice, CHJ, who has rolled out Avni for its digital case management record. They have rolled out Avni in the month of December and have started using the application. Center for Social Justice is a pioneering social legal NGO in India. It was established in 1993, and CHJ has been working to uphold the rights of marginalized community through its judicial system. It has over 30 years of being used in the law field to transform the societies. It operates across multiple states in India, which includes Gujarat and other states including MP, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Assam, Orissa, and few more. With Avni, they have been using Avni to digitalize managing their case records across its law centers, and they're trying to improve the efficiency in which they are collecting their data in terms of the case-related data and streamlining their case tracking, documentation, and reporting. Other than CHJ, recently Monkey Sports, who has been renamed as Khel Meal recently, they have come on board with Avni, and we have started the development for Monkey Sports. It's a non-profit organization, again, working to improve the physical and mental well-being of children through sports. So that's a very new in terms of area or organization who have started using now planning to use Avni for their data management purpose. It is designed, so for Monkey Sport, it is designed to, like, they structure sports program to build the confidence and for teamwork and self-skill development among children, focusing the target age group they focus is between 8 to 15 years. So Khailmail is implementing Avni to digitalize its data monitoring and management in Raigad, Chhattisgarh district, and then it's in collaboration with its partner NGOs in Assam and Bihar. So they will be implementing in these states. The initiative aims to strengthen their program for monitoring, reporting, and decision making while supporting the scale up of their Khailmail program. So this is in terms of your ecosystem update. Maha, over to you for the product updates and 2026. Yeah. I will stop sharing the screen. You can share the screen.
Sure. Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So in the product updates, some of the things that we have been working on is so the ability to navigate to locations still we are working on. We have not delivered it, and then the Avni Bamni custom integration. So there is another app called Bamini that is used. It is an hospital management system. So there are some custom integrations that we develop based on need for organizations. So this has been asked by JSS for the health management of their data. So we are working on that. Next is generally for the product health, etc. We have been receiving certain issues, but we don't know why the issue is happening or how to reproduce the issue. We are not able to reproduce the issue, etc. So whenever we are not able to reproduce the issue, we wanted a way to figure out what the issue is and why it is happening in a faster manner instead of doing trial and error and without spending much time. So what we have introduced is to able to see the logs of the users itself. Whenever the issue happens, we added the ability to see the logs. So I will show the video of the same shortly. Next is we have something called bundle upload, where whenever some change whenever we want to do a change for an organization or even for self-organizations, when they do a change, first they do the change in UAT organization and then they upload the change to the production organization. So that upload, whenever there were too many concepts, it was taking sometimes 1 hour, 2 hours, also blocking other longitudinal exports and blocking other work of other teams. So in order to avoid it, we have reduced the time significantly, more than 50% of time, so that the bundle upload happens faster without blocking the work of others. So I will quickly show the I'll quickly show the video as well. So now whenever the issue happens, it is yet to get released. We will release it by this week. Whenever the issue happens, you will see a button called upload issue info. So when you upload this, when you click on this button, the DB as well as the logs will get uploaded, so that we will be able to resolve the issue faster. So whenever you see the issue, you can click on this so that we will get to know it about it faster. And then another thing is, sometimes it is all not always a pop-up or a crash or a error message display. Sometimes it is an unintended behavior, like for example, a visit not getting scheduled, or when you click on something, it doesn't get there is no response, or the app being slow. So it can be all these issues as well. So whenever you notice something that is unexpected, so you can go to the menu here and you can click on upload app info here. So once you click on upload app info, it will ask a confirmation and upload the data. So we will get the DB and logs. So that would as well help us to resolve the issue. Yeah, any questions so far? Okay. Yeah. Arjun, over to you.
Yeah, thanks, ma'am. So yeah, as we are kicking in the new year, we're looking at what we would like to do in this year. The DPDP Act has come into place. We will, I mean, that's one of our topmost priorities to review the DPDP Act and see whether like there are actions to be taken at the NGOs and there are some things to be done at the platform and to be compliant with this act. So that's one of our topmost priorities. Another is we started making Avni more self-service. Towards this, we launched Avni Launchpad as well in the month of October, which is a cohort-based approach where we provide mentoring and then NGOs set up their pilot apps themselves. That has received good response, and generally we are seeing uptake for self-servicing Avni. So we want to continue on that stream of improving it further, maybe doing some UI UX improvements, furthering on the AI assistant and so on, to support more and more NGOs be able to self-service Avni. Another is to reduce both the cost and time of implementation, coming up with like preparing a application on top of Avni. And we introduced the features of templates and AI assistant, but we would be publishing more templates and doing more stuff around AI assistant to continue on that stream as well, to keep on reducing the development time to come up with an application on top of Avni platform. Um, Next is like we've been thinking of different use cases and hearing demand around that different use cases, and this year we would like to pick up some of those. Some of the candidates are like surveys, which we have finalized to work on. Another is mobile van use case. The mobile van use case means that it is like multiple users who are working in an offline kind of setup and capturing data. And then there is qualitative research. Like, for example, if you are either like you're doing a focus group discussion and then you want to come up with thematic areas on which, what key points got discussed in the focus group discussion or any action items that came out of it. So, capturing that in an audio form and then translating and then transcribing and then like coming coming up with that thematic areas with the help of both audio to text translation and then AI and so on. That's another use case that we've been hearing more frequently of late. So we plan to explore on that as well. There are also special use cases that we've been hearing around the domains of education and agriculture. So we'll wait for demand to get more mature and enough to even explore and pick those up as well. Um, Another is on using AI. So right now we've done AI on the app design side of the app setup side of me. But we hope to explore around the field worker app and also dashboards, like coming up, for example, with interpretations from charts or automatic email reports, monthly or quarterly reports that comes in your inbox based on insights being generated from the data captured in Avni. So these are some of the ideas. So we'll continue to harness AI more towards these use cases to deliver more value on ground and have more NGOs adopt Avni increasingly. At the moment, we are working on like coming up with a roadmap that will basically mean what we are going to deliver quarter on quarter, and as that gets updated, we'll keep I think sharing maybe in a subsequent monthly meet. Meanwhile, we'll reach out on the community groups and various channels as well if there are inputs on any other priorities. Even right now, I think we can maybe take a pause if there are any comments or questions or any inputs on what we should include in our priority for 2026. Typically, Avni conference also acts as a place where we all get together and we discuss the priorities and then finalize them. This year, however, because of the launchpad in December, we've not been able to like finalize the conference. We're right now considering it to happen in February, but we have to look at a few things. We'll reach out to you all for that, but we of course can't delay the priority discussion for that. So we'll reach out on different channels if there are any priorities, and even right now, I think feel free to like give your inputs if there are any.
Yeah, anything, Sharmishta
Hi,
ji?
Arjun.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
Yeah, actually, we are also thinking about qualitative data on Avni, like surveys, feedback. Also, the qualitative data which we are collecting right now on papers or Google Forms. So we are also thinking to do on Avni at this point of time, but like. Koki also shared me to ask to you about this, but unfortunately I forgot about this. But now I
okay,
remember. So
nice.
I think if you are talking about priority, then definitely I will say about surveys and qualitative data, because
Okay,
we really want to do at one platform, because like if we use something else, then definitely it will like the more tools we have now, like
perfect. Yeah,
nowadays we have two tools for, you know, technically, but for the data, both of data, we want one tool. If on Avni it will possible, then it would be good for us, whether like we are doing now with the Google form.
right, exactly. Yeah, that's our thought process as well. So what we'll connect with you anyways. We are connecting for the Avni Glyphic integration. So over there in that call, we can learn a little bit more about your qualitative data use case as well, and that can feed into then our analysis basically to pick up for that feature. So I think when we connect one on one, let's discuss more on this definitely. Thanks, Pooja.
Yeah, thank you.
Anything else? Any other suggestions or feedback from any of the other partners? Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Over to you, Anjali.
Yeah. That those were the couple of priority points in terms of the platform and the new organizations who have come on board and better. In terms of the feedback for those who have joined us for the first time or in the previous meetup didn't get a chance to fill the feedback form, I will be sharing the link. If you can take 2 minutes of your time and share this. I'm pasting it in the chat box. Put in the questions also up here. So you can just take 2 minutes of your time and fill this sheet. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, for giving us your time. Wishing you all a very happy new year. Thank you. See you all in the next meetup. Thank you so much. Bye. Thanks, everyone.